What's up everybody, Adam here, back at you with another video. And this video is going to be an unboxing video, like I said, and I'm really excited to unbox it because this is going to put my B-roll right up to the next level. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing because I'm a pretty cool guy and I feel like you would like my content. So hit that subscribe button, like the video if you're already liking it, and comment down below if you have one of these. Alright, that's enough talking, let's just get right into it. Alright, so I'm going to open this now, but and to open it, I need something. That's a lot better. It's here, finally. Alright, so what we have here is the Mavic Mini. I got the Fly More combo, which means it comes with extra batteries, it comes with the actual box you can put it in. Anyway, the Mavic Mini caught my attention because one, it's ultra light. It weighs at 249 grams, which means you don't have to register it with the FAA or anything like that. It's basically a great camera for anyone who just wants to get into flying and, you know, just someone who wants to take it out on the weekends or make YouTube videos, like me. I've done a lot of research and it says it's a good beginner camera. I mean, it's a good beginner drone. So, anyway, let's just get right into it. Oh yeah. Don't you just love that? Alright, there's a little bit of B-roll on undoing all the plastic. So let's just open it up. So here's what you get in the Fly More combo. I don't know what those are called. This is the drone, this is the remote, this is the charging for 3 batteries, and you get a box. I think they're like the rotor, whatever they're called, the blade guards or something like that. I'm just gonna get right into it and open it up. Let's go. Straight out the box. This thing looks dope. Look at that. What's in here? Nope, this is the propeller thingies. Alright, so this is the 360 degree propeller guard. That's what they are. These are going to go on the drone. I'll put it together at the end. But for now, let's just get into the box. You know, what's in the box? What's in the box? I really like the feel of this carrying bag. But inside the carrying bag, we have the aircraft itself, the controller. Looks like a battery pack, chargers and stuff like that. But, oh, that's boring. Let's get right into the drone itself. First, I need to find the batteries, though. Oh, could this be the battery? Oh, yeah, it's a charging block. One more. I lied. 2 more. This is probably the memory card, I believe. Nope, a bunch of paperwork that I'm probably gonna read because this is very important to read because I need to know what I'm doing. This feels heavy. This is the batteries. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries, which is really sick. It says it's up to 30 minutes of flight time. 30, 60, 90. That's not bad. It's over an hour flight. Very, very cool. Extra propellers. That's awesome. Okay, now let's take a look at the drone. Here's the remote control. I think you just lift it out like this, right? And then the drone itself. Alright, so you're seeing kind of like behind the scenes here. If I read online correctly, it gives you 3 different kind of cables in case you have like an Android or an iPhone. Your little joysticks here, screwdriver. Hey, that's cool. Oh, maybe I gotta do these 2 first. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one. than this one. That's what shows you how much I know about this drone. Everyone makes it so easy when you look it up online. Oh, that's where the battery goes. Looks like we have a record button and a picture button. On the right's the picture, on the left is the video, and I put my phone. There we go. Yep. So phone fits here. I gotta download the app. Hey, look, you can see me. What's up? Anyway, I'm gonna have to download the app because I haven't downloaded it yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Nice. Alright, let me do this. Alright. Now that I've done all that, connect aircraft, I guess. Mavic, no. Mavic Mini. Take out the control sticks. I did all that. Oh, those were extra. These are extra. These are extras. Real 2 are right here. So I just figured out that this last one that I thought was just a USB or a lightning cable is actually connectors. It's a connector piece to a lightning adapter. And here's a RC adapter to a USB-C. So I got a lightning, micro, and USB Type-C. So I'm gonna plug it in right here first. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug my phone in. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and charge the drone here because I don't think it's gonna fly or turn on. So try turning it on here, holding it in, doing everything like that, and it's not doing anything. So go ahead and charge her up for a little bit, and then we will come back. All right. So we're gonna go from the bottom. You just clip it like that. Comes open, just like that. You just kind of find your way, you wiggle it in, and then just kind of push it down, and then clip it on. There you go. And that side's on. So now we're gonna open up the other one. Ooh, look at that. Then unclip this part and open. Just gonna kind of put him in there like that, and then put that one in here like that. Push down. There you go. And then that, my guys, is how you put the propeller guards on the drone. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let the batteries charge, and then we'll get right into the flight test.